What's up, everybody? It's the VW guy, and today I'm going to show you how to change a key battery on a Volkswagen ID4. I'm going to start by pressing and holding the button on the side here and pulling the mechanical key out. Okay, now that you have the mechanical key out, you can push up from the inside with a small flathead screwdriver until you separate the side there, then you can kind of pry it apart. Now take your small flathead screwdriver and push it from the left side to the right till it pops up like this. Then from that side back to the left. Use a CR2032 battery, and you can kind of just push it back in like that. You want to make sure the positive side faces upward. Now just push the cover back on. It just snaps into place, and you can put the mechanical key back in from the side. I want to thank you for watching this video today. For more videos like this, please give me a like and subscribe.